Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I make my spicy fried gizzard. This is actually turkey gizzard. For this recipe, you can use chicken, you can use chicken gizzard, you can use beef. I mean, it's just so good, and it's very easy to make as well. So I hope you like this video, and thank you to all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, and even those that have not subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope I convince you to stay. So the first thing to do is to boil, the gizzards or chicken or beef, whichever one you choose to use. And it's very simple. Like, just use your seasoning that you've got, that is available in your kitchen, to season up the gizzard. And I didn't add water because I wanted the water from the gizzard to cook it up. In that way, the gizzard, will taste better. So while the gizzard is cooking, it's time for me to blend up my chilies. So I've got habanero pepper, which is really extra hot. So you want to be careful. If you don't like spicy food, please skip that. And then I've got bell pepper, and I've got my onions, the white and the what is it, the red onions they call the other one. White and red onions. It's actually not red. I don't know why they call it red onions. Anyways, so I'm gonna cut them into bits, and save some for seasoning later. And then I'm just gonna use my food processor to kind of break them up. I don't want it to come out smooth, so it's just like turn it on, turn it off, in order to achieve that rough consistency, like you can see right here. All right, so my gizzard is ready. I left it for like 40 minutes because I wanted the water to also dry out. As you can see, the water is really reduced now, and it's time to really start the process of frying it. Yeah. So to fry up the turkey gizzard, I use the sunflower oil, and you can use any oil that is available in your kitchen. Okay, so and I didn't need too much. I just added a little bit, maybe like 4 tablespoons. And I put in the gizzard first instead of frying the sauce first, because I wanted to brown up the gizzard a bit before adding my sauce. So yeah, I just added my seasonings and put in my bell pepper, crushed bell pepper, onions, and there's garlic and ginger paste at the bottom. You can see right there. So you can use powdered garlic and ginger if that's what is available for in your kitchen. And just stir, and yeah, I tell you what, this recipe goes well with beef, goes well with chicken. So it's something that you can make for your family, and maybe Sunday afternoon, just do something that you can snack on. All right, so there we go. It looks really, really beautiful. And I tell you what, this recipe is so great and yummy. Alright, here is the end result. Beautiful and really tasty. Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of my video for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not. And please remember to turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day, and please be safe wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.